Hello, I'm Andrew Duncan and I'd like to welcome you to another Art of Living video. Today I'm going to show you how to put one of these rings, which is used on the old Inca gold saucepan lids and the Venus range, how to put it over to replace it. These rings are made from rubber, and although they will withstand being put in the oven and the dishwasher, they will eventually perish and they just drop off, or they drop down. And the whole point of these is that you can pick up the lid without burning your fingers. So it has to be a tight fit, and because it's a tight fit there is a right way of doing this. Start it off on one side and just gradually push it round with your thumbs and just roll it over. But make sure that the rubber is kept right underneath the rim of the lid, of the handle there, so that when you pick it up, your fingers aren't going to come into contact with exposed metal. Whether it is an Inca gold lid like this one or Venus, the rubber ring is exactly the same size. It's a simple job if done correctly. If you wish, you can take it off every time, but that's a bit of a faff. And if you adopt the right way of doing it, it'll still last you many years. Job done.